When it comes to the texturing, I have used straightforward materials. Even with these basic materials, we can achieve cool results. Let me also open here this material tab. White metal, base color is at white, metallic set to 0, and I have reduced the roughness also, so it's glossy. This is also a straightforward metallic bright metal material. Like I said, I haven't given them any kind of texturing, Voronoi texture, noise texture, whatnot. Here another one, a rubber. Here I have bumped up the roughness to 0.8, so it isn't glossy and it gives us the rubber look. Black metal, roughness is at 0. What else do we have? We have this one, that's an emission shader, glow. I have given this guy this type of bluish color, light blue. Here I have a glass shader, a glass BSDF. Here I have played with the roughness. That's basically it. Here is a metallic with this color again. So maybe I have skipped some materials, but you can check it out for yourself. I have named them so you can check it out here. And after having rendered them, I played around with the colors in Photoshop. And this is what I came up with, the final rendering. And by the way, I have made 2 renders of each perspective. One with the scene, one without the scene. So I can use this one for separating it from the rest in Photoshop. So that's what I have here in Photoshop. So that's the basic look, this one. So I first open this one up, convert it to a smart object. I play around with the camera raw filter. It is living here under camera raw filter. I have given them this filter and I named the layer after the raw filter I have given it. And if we double click on this guy, so there are 2 things. I have played with the color settings here and then I slapped a template on it. This FD07, then we get this result. So from this to this, then I played with the levels and brightness. I wanted this one to be darker. So when I copy this one, the second render, to our scene, or rather drag it by just taking this guy, going to this scene and pressing shift, so it places this one to the exact correct spot. Now I can control click on this guy, come to this one and press Ctrl J, and I end up with this result, a little brighter than the rest of the scene. I make a copy of all these, merge them together and slap another camera raw filter on it, this FD10. Then it looks like this. And here I reduce the opacity. This effect isn't that dominant. The next step is copying the vector file, a smart object, and play around with the colors and drop shadow and whatnot. And here the arms, they are a little bit too dark now, the detailing is gone. That's why I have taken this guy, which we had at the beginning, gave him a mask. Let me enable it. And I have masked out these parts so they are a little bit brighter so that we can see these details. Here you can also see the effect of the depth of field so that the background is blurred out and we focus on our botany. Here, top again. The focus is here on the top so that the floor is blurred out. And I have made the exact same adjustments as here for the hero. Head again, background blurred out. And that's it. I hope you had fun following along and I hope that you have learned a lot of stuff. Check out my YouTube channel and hopefully see you in my next course. Peace!